Here we have a geometry problem. So in the given figure, we have to find the value of x. Okay, in the given figures, we have the two markings on the line segments are DE and GF. So the two markings over here indicate the line segments DE and GF are parallel, and the line segment BC intersects both the line segments DE and GF. So here the two parallel line segments intersected by the third line segment BC. So whenever two parallel lines intersected by a third line, it's called transversal. So the line segment BC here is transversal. And also when two parallel lines intersected by the transversal, so the corresponding angles are congruent. That means equal in measure. So the angle measure over here, the angle measure over here are corresponding angles, and they must be equal in measure. Already we know the angle measure over here, that is 108 degree. So the angle measure over here also 108 degree. Okay, here this is a point of intersection of two line segments AF and BC. So at the point of intersection, the two angle measures which are opposite each other are called vertical angles, and they must be equal in measure. That means the angle measure over here and the angle measure over here are called vertical opposite angles, and they must be equal in measure. Already we got the angle measure over here, it's 108 degree, and the angle measure over here is also 108 degree. Okay, now let's consider the triangle over here. So already we know that in any triangle, the sum of the three interior angles will always add up to 180 degree by angle sum property of a triangle. So I'm going to add the three angles 36, 108 and x. So these are the three interior angles of the triangle I have marked here. So I'm just adding the three angles 36, positive 108, positive x. So these angles must add up to 180 degree. Okay, so because so it's due to the angle sum property of triangle. Okay, now we have to solve for x in this equation. So when I add 36 and 108, I'm getting 144 positive x equals to 180. So to solve for x, I subtract 144 from both sides. When I do so, this positive 144, negative 144 will cancel out. I'm getting x is equal to, when I subtract 144 from 180, I'm getting 36. So the value of x in the given figure is 36.